right here on this blower, and he said it slips. And somebody give 100. $100 bid, somebody give 50. 50, she'll get parts of them, about 50, 25, 25, somebody give $10. $10, 10, 10 on a 10 on a 10 on a 15, 10, got it, 15, way up, yeah, 10, 15, 15 on a 20, 20 to 5, 30 to 5, 25, 5, 30 to 30, 30 to 5, 30 to 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 5, 30 should be, $5 bid, 35, 5, 30 to 30 to 30 to 30 to 30 to 5, $30, 5, 30 to 5, sold up there for $30, number 50, buyer number 50. Folks, don't forget, November the 16th, we'll be right back here. I think there's maybe, 7 or 8 tractors, telehandler, 2 skid loaders, all the haymaking equipment. Probably be about 3 more wagon loads of small stuff. All the haymaking equipment, square baler, hay binds, rakes. It's a lot. That's why we split it in half. We'd have been here till dark tonight if we'd have tried to do it all. So we'll be back here on November the 16th. All right. On the old chopper right there, the old International. Somebody give $250. 250, 200. Somebody give 100. $100 bid, somebody give $50. $50, $50, $50, 25, 30, 25, 5, 30, 5. Where your ass crap, man, now 30. 30, 30, 25, $30 bid, 30, 5, 40. 45, 50, 50, 45, 50, 50, 50 bill, 45, 50, 50, sold $45, buyer number 50. There's 3 heads there, so much a piece. Take 1, 2, or 3. Somebody get $50 on your choice of the heads. All 3 corn heads, 50, 25.
I bought that for scrap metal.
25, 5, 5, 25, 25, somebody get 20, somebody get 10,
I don't have one.
$10 bill, somebody get $10.
Is that for all 3 of them?
No, so much a piece, take what you like.
Good luck.
Somebody get 10, 15, 10 a guy, here, he'll load it here, 10 to 15. 10 a guy, 15, 15, 10, 15, oh, any one of them, 10 to 15. 10 a guy, $50, $10, 50, on a 15, 10 to $15, 50, on a 15, $50 bill, 15. Sold $10, number 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Number 2 times 3, Leon, times 3. Hey, we got the old crimpers here. 1 or 2. John Deere, I don't know what the other one is, it's red. Yeah. Somebody get $50 on the old crimpers, take 1 or 2. 25. $25, 5, 20, $20, you say 5. 20's your bid, 5, 25, now 30, 35, 40, 45, $40, 5, sold $40, 80. Takes John Deere, takes this one. Somebody get $35 on this one. Shaft share, somebody get 25. $25, $20. $20 bid, 20, you say 20. $20, 15. 15, 10. 10, 15. 10 a guy, 15, 15, 15. 10's a bid, $50 bill, 10 on 15, 10 and 15, 10 and 15, $10, 10 on 15, 10 and $15, 15. Sold $10, number 2. Number 2. New Holland running gear. I tell you what, it'll haul load. We had all that lumber on it. I mean, all of it.
Come on, man. You making
somebody get $300 on the running gear. Somebody get 200. 200. Somebody give 100 on the running gear. $100 bill. $100, 50. 50 on the running gear. Somebody get 60. Yeah, 50, 60, 70. 70, 80. 80 bid, 70, 80. That's him. 70, 80. 70 got $80 bid. 70, 80. 70, 80. 80 bid, 90. 90. Say 90. 100. 10. 110, 100 got 10, 110, 10, 15, say 10, 110, 10, 10, 100 got 10, 110. Sold $100.
Yeah.
On the back.
you.
Hey, on that big transport disc right there, and somebody get 500.
I gotta start taking things out.
You want something to cut, there it is. On the disc, somebody get 5. Somebody get $500, 5. Somebody get 300. 3, and 300. Anybody get 200 to go? 200 $200 bill, 2, 100, 150, 130, 50, yes or no, 100 to God, 152, 250. 250, 250, $250 bid, 250, 253, 350, 400, 3 set 4 half, now 5, 500, 500, 550, 600, 600, 550 bid 6, heavy disc, 75 now 6. 600, 570, 550, 600, 570, 576, 575 today, $600 bill, 570, 550, $600 bill, 570, 550, 600, 570, 550, 570, 550, 600, 570, 550, $600 bill. So 575. 58, 58's the buyer. All right. Hey, big transport right here. Somebody give 1,000. 800. 800 out of 885, 585, get 2 to go. $200. $200. Somebody get 200 on it. Somebody get 100. $100 bid. $100 one. $100 bid. Hey, you give $100 here. $100 bid, $100 bid, $100 bid, $100 quarter, $1 quarter. 100 got 25, 125, 100 on 125, 150, 150, 150, 75, 200, 200, 225, 225, 200 got 25, 225, 200 got 25, 225, $200, 25, yes or no, 225, 225. So $200, 67's a buyer. All right, going over to the old pull type. Boys. Somebody give $75 here. Good leveler here. Somebody give 20, 50. $50 bill, 25. $25, 5, 25, 5, somebody get $10. 15, 15, 10 and 15, 10's a bid, $50, $10, $50, 15, 10 and 15, 15 and 15, 10 and 15, 10 and 15, 10 and 15, $50, so $10. 58, 58. Okay, let's go to the S time. And we'll go straight down the road around the corner. Yep. In good shape here too. Somebody give 1,000. $1,000 bill. 10, 500. $500 bill. 5, 600, 5 and 6. 7. 7, 8, 9, 1,000 and 11. 1,100, 15, 10, 11. 1,000 to God. 1,100 bill. 10, 11, 10, 1,100 bill. $1,000, 11. 11, 12, 12, 13. 1,300, 1,400, 15, 15, 16, $1,600, 16, $1,500 got $1,600, 16, $1,500 got $1,600 bill, 16, 15 and 16, 15's a bit. Oh, rain, 15, 16, 15 and 16, 1,500, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18 and 17, 1,800, 17, and I got 18, 18. 1,700 Chevette, $1,800 bed, 718, 718, else over here, 17, 18. Sold $1,700, and I think he was 50.
67.
50, 67, 67. Yeah, 3/6 8-shank chisel plow. Yeah, somebody give 1,000. Give 500. 500 out of it, 500 out of it, 5 and 300. $300 bid, 300. How much? That's more than I had. 200, 300. 200 a guy, 4. 400 out of it, 350. 54, 450, 500, 50, 600. 650, 657, 750, 7800, 800 out of there, 775, 750, 75, 50, 75, 750, 75, 750 bid, 75, 50, 75, 50, 75, 750 dollars, 75, 50, 75, 750 dollars, 75, 775. Sold $750, buyer number 27. Okay, Leon. Oh, it's J&M on the gravity, man. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Somebody get 1,500. Pretty decent rubber. Somebody get 15, 1,000. $1,000 bill. 10, 10 on 10 on 10, 10 and 10 and 800. $800 bill. Somebody get 5. $500, $500 on the greenback green bucket here. Somebody get 500. Get 3. $300 bid. 3. 3 to gravity bin here. Somebody get $300 2. $200 2. Somebody get 200. Anybody give $100? 150. 200. 200. 250. 300. $300 bid, 53. 250 got 3. $300 3. 53 and 3. It's only 250 now 3. $300 bid, 53, 250 and $300 3. 53, 300. Sold 250 back here. 50. Buyer number 50. They kind of look alike. We'll let you take one or two, both of them, whatever. Hey, they look good. Yeah. Somebody get 500 on your choice out here. Take one or two. Somebody get 5. 5 and 300. 300. 300. Somebody get 2 to go. $200 bill. 2 and 50. 253. 3 and 3 and 50. 350, 350. $350 bill. 350, 350. 300 guy. 350, 350 $350 54. 450. 450. Over to the quarter help. 425. 425. 425. 425. Sold $400.
That was a good shot.
Number 55's a buyer. You want them both?
No.
Which one? This one? He wants this one right here. That's the one the tires keep going flat on. I'm glad that's going. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, what have we got? Another one right here. It'll come out the same
way.
Yep, same way. Somebody get 5, 4. 4 and 3. You get 300 here. 3 and 3. Somebody get 200.
Yep.
250. Yes or no 3?
Yep.
350.
Yep.
How 4? 350, 75 help, 350, 75, 550, 75, 350 and 75, 350 got 75, 50, 75, 350, 75, 550, 350, 75, 50, 75, $350, 75 and 75. Sold your way, Ryan, 350. 8, buyer number 8. Buyer number 8. Now we'll show you the big dude right here. Tell me inside, Ryan. And it's good and clean in there. Hey, the big one here. Somebody give $1,000. $1,000, 800, 500 to get in here. 500 out of there. 300. $300 bid. Somebody surely do that. 300 here. 2 and 3. 200, I got 300. 203. 3. 200's on bid. 3. 3, 4. 400. 3, 4. 4. You're out here. 5. 450. 450. 450. 4's your bid. 50 down 5. 5. 75. 475. 5. Sold 475. Put it on number 42.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.